Hello, my name is Vatna. I'm a student in grade 8. I live in Kupe Village. I study at St. Man, long-term secondary school. When I grow up, I want to become an English teacher. I go to bed at 8 o'clock and I get up at 5 o'clock. Now look at the Friday. The 8th of August. 2025. Let's learn more. តោះពួកយើងរៀនបន្ថែមទៀត B break the sentences ចូលអនុវត្តប្រយោគ The swimmer is bigger than the runner. Nè heo tớt thôm chiang nè ruột. The runner is smaller than the swimmer. Nè ruột tô chiang nè heo tớt. The gymnast is stronger than the volleyball player. The gymnast is stronger than the volleyball player. Nè hạt cài sòng quan khlang chiang nè lên bảo tia. The volleyball player is weaker than the gymnast. The volleyball player is weaker than the gymnast. Nè lên bảo tia soi chiêng nè hạt cài sầm pươn. Mr. Khmau is heavier than Mr. Sothia. Lục Khmau khlang chiang. Lục Khmau thôn chiang Lô Sothia. Mr. Sothia is lighter than Mr. Khmau. Lô Sothia sra chiang Lục Khmau. Miss Ranja is blacker than Miss Thavin. Miss Ranja is blacker than Miss Thavin. Kenya Ranja mau chiang Kenya Thavin. Miss Thavin is whiter than Miss Ranja. Miss Thavin is whiter than Miss Ranja. Kenya Thavin so chiang Kenya Ranja.